Assalamu Olaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back with another video. This is Mamun. I am a content creator as well as English trainer. Today I am going to teach you this connector like in a way. So where to use, how to use this kind of advanced structure in our daily conversation. So let's then have a look. And I am going to make a drama with this word so that you can understand my every single point. Okay, so let's see. My mom cooked fish curry, but I don't like fish curry. So my mom asked me, my sweetie, how was that food? I can say, in a way, that food was not delicious. In a way, or you can say that food was pretty delicious. Okay. After that, you can say, Rahul is your friend, and Rahul asked me, buddy, actually, I love Ria, and can I marry her? And what do you say? I think, in a way, you can marry her. In a way, you can marry her. So in such a way, you can create a fake story with this here. You have to play with this word. Okay. After that, you can say, in a way, you should have been there. Or in a way, you should have gone there. Okay. At first, you have to add this connector in a way. After that, the rest of the sentence. Okay. Or you can say complete sentence. Okay. You in a way, you should take this medicine. In a way, I don't like her. In a way, this video is too good. In a way, okay, you can say any kind of sentence with this word. Okay, so I hope you have been able to understand my words from this video. Okay, so Assalamu Alaikum.